Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to view your Klarna transaction history. So if you've been wondering how to view your Klarna transaction history, and then this video is for you. It's going to be a really quick one, just going to give you guys a couple of steps on how to view your Klarna credit history. So let's get straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Klarna account. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to the transaction tab. You can log into your account on the website, or you can do that on the mobile app. Either one you want to use. Once you have that signed in, just go to the transactions tab, and there you can view your transaction history, including payments and purchases. And you can also filter by dates as well as status to check your transaction history. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to view your Klarna transaction history. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.